for each of the 5 different agencies. Oh, okay, never mind. He said 3 trips for 5 agencies. We don't need 5 trips for 5 agencies.
Oh, so it was 3 trips, not 5. Oh, okay, that's okay.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Got it.
So yeah, and basically what we did, I was in charge of collecting the data and describing the data. So what I did is I took the data that we originally planned. That's what I submitted. So I submitted 2 different dates with 5 agencies and 5 destinations. I'm gonna share with you then I'm gonna send you by email what I uploaded. I still need to I need to tell the instructor that you have joined in because I didn't add you on the form.
The design.
On the design. So I will do that.
Thank you.
So basically, yeah, that's what we have done so far. We on Saturday I submitted that file. I added some. Let me see if I can share it with you, at least so you get an idea of what how the data looks like. Let me see if I can find it here. Where is it? Okay. I'm trying to look for the file. If you have it handy, Cyrus, you just feel free to go and share it. I have it. I have it here. Don't worry. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Okay. You guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's I have, you see, I should have added your name here. We also have Colin, but he hasn't joined in on any of the classes.
Yeah, he hasn't joined in any discussion, so
we're probably gonna have to erase it from. So basically, this is what I did here on. I have added the answers on bold so you can see them. This is basically explanation. It doesn't, or this is actually what the first part is what we spotted right away when we pulled the information. I added a little bit of that. Then, well, this is the description of the data, similar to what Cyrus added on the original design. It's basically the same. Then here it's a bit of data. It's the mean and standard deviation of all the results for both dates. You see, we have November 1st.
I'm sorry, it's not like update. Like I'm not seeing data. I'm seeing a Word document.
Oh yeah, but here, do you see? Don't you see that part here? Like I just highlighted. I don't know what do you see it?
Oh, okay. Now I see it. Yeah. Sorry, it wasn't like updating.
No, that's fine. So here's the standard deviation and the mean for the results of both dates, and then we added kind of a graph that shows the variances of both dates on prices. You see here are the 5 different destinations. Each color represents one travel agency, and you can see which has the cheapest prices and which one have the most expensive. And then that was basically it. And then I just added a little explanation of what type of test we were going to use, which is ANOVA. But all this apparently was too much information, so we would have to reduce it a bit. Like,
I mean, it'd be pretty easy. All we would have to do is get rid of 2 of the things, and then we could resubmit it. We could just submit both and see if he has a preference, kind of thing.
Yeah, which one works?
Because all we would have to do is delete 2 lines of data.
Right.
And then if we want to do the data as with only 3 different trips, what should we get rid of, Frankfurt and
maybe I mean, for the purpose of the study, I would prefer to remove those that are like get
same.
the same results, right? Or
Yes.
closest.
Right.
So Heathrow. I'd say probably Heathrow and Frankfurt.
Okay.
If for both the different dates.
Are we getting rid of one of the dates then?
I mean, not not the dates, the destinations.
Okay, so we're removing 2 destinations from both dates, but we're still keeping both dates for.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna run 2 ANOVA tests with 3 destinations each. Is that
Yes.
okay? Okay. That sounds
So
right.
London Heathrow is pretty much the exact same across the board.
Okay.
And then Frankfurt is the other one that's pretty consistent. Well,
Okay.
I guess Madrid. No, I guess Madrid has some big differences. Yeah, let's get of London Heathrow and Frankfurt for the sake of it.
Let me pull I'm gonna pull my file as well, so I remove those.
I just made a copy. If you go onto the Google Sheets I shared with you, I'm
Oh, yeah,
moving.
you put it there. Well, that's right. Yeah.
The flight data thing.
Yeah. And then I'm on the second tab right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I see what you're doing.
Let me refresh it. 'Cause I still see. Have you removed them already? Because I still see
I'm
them.
on the second tab. I'm on 3-flight ANOVA, not the first ANOVA on the.
Oh, okay.
The flight price quotes.
Yeah.
Do you think that I should like send an update on the file that we uploaded then with the data description? I don't know if at least
With
let
the
him
3
know
instead
that.
of 5.
Yeah, at least let him know that based on his response, we decided to kind of modify what, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If he compares what we're gonna end up sending with what he already has now, it will be different.
So you're saying these 3 variables are the 3 instead of 5?
Right, these are the 3 destinations
Okay,
instead of 5 destinations. That's,
got it. Yeah, sorry, I'm still trying to wrap my head around this sheet.
yeah. So basically, what he's doing is copying like the 3 set of results for each date,
Right.
and see what we get.
Okay, got it.
So what would be the next step, Cyrus? I think I have it here. Let's see.
The next step would be here, what's on the design. Give me 1 sec. Make inference / take action. And then that was going to be, I was going to do that one, but I don't know if John, you want to take. that
What is that
portion
part?
one. Well, it's just make inference and take action. So I think it's just like describing the data and what, not like describing the data, but like what can you infer from the data that we have? And,
Right.
Um,
Yeah, I can do that.
because when Daniel and I set this up, there was just the two of us, so we just went Cyrus Daniel, Cyrus Daniel, Cyrus Daniel for all the like roles.
Right. Yeah.
And then Colin's supposed to do the PowerPoint, but honestly, I kind of want to just like kick him from the group because he hasn't done a single thing or emailed us or talked to us at all. Like he emailed
Right.
you once, Daniel. Right?
Yeah,
Just-
but he was always copied on the chats when we were supposed, and we never got an answer. So, I mean, I feel bad for the guy, but truth is that we are in the middle of a project, and
we're like,
he's not-
yeah, we're like almost done with the project, and he hasn't done anything. So,
Right.
and then we can all kind of just build the PowerPoint together and the Google PowerPoint thing, edit it collectively. I feel.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think that would work probably best.
Okay, so we have those two things left, right? The part that John will do, and then the PowerPoint. That's it. Is there anything else left? Like,
Let me look.
just asking to see, what. Yeah, there shouldn't be more. We have like what 2 weeks left, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
I don't know you guys, but I'm so ready to get this semester done.
Dude, same. Frick.
This class, it's driving me crazy, man.
How do you guys do on the exams?
Oh, don't
I've gotten consistent 75s on all of them, pretty much.
Dude, I got.
I did very well on the first one, and then it was
Same.
downhill. I think like the second one, I did like 77. This last one was 70.
Yeah, I remember I got
I-
an A on the first one.
Same.
Yeah.
And I basically got a C on the next two. Yeah. They're kind of hard.
Yeah.
It is a tough class, man. It's not easy at all. I mean, I
Yeah.
was surprised. And I'm not good at math at all. I have never been good at math. So this is like,
Yeah.
for me, it's oh my God. I try to get my head around when I'm reading the book, and you get those
Yeah.
big formulas. Because I mean, most of the things you do it on spreadsheet, and you don't even have to use the formulas. But
Yeah.
when you do have to use it, it's like, oh my gosh.
Oh wait, we need a. He left a comment on our design the study in my assignments folder.
Okay.
That we need to make updates based on what he had highlighted some stuff in his email.
Okay.
It was just basically like clarification things in the design the study. Let me see if I can find that.
So those clarifications supposed to be on the PowerPoint, or should we send another email with the clarification?
No, he wants me to resubmit the design the study with the.
Oh, okay, with the clarifications. Okay.
Yeah, I can work on that right now.
Okay.
I haven't received anything yet about the data description. I guess I will this week.
I probably got it a couple days ago. I just now noticed it though.
Did he send it by email or on the?
No, I just in the feedback of the assignment in my grades.
okay.
I don't often go in and look at that, so.
Yeah, me neither. So I will check on that. You're probably gonna send some feedback for the data description there as well. I will check today or tomorrow because I submitted on Saturday, so he hasn't replied yet.
Right.
Okay. So I don't know, John. Do you have any questions about the project itself now?
I mean, I'm looking at the data right now. I'm pretty sure I understand it. Like, I'm trying to find the assignment, like the portion that you guys are telling me of the final of the project. Do you know what it's called?
Let me see if I can find it.
It's not the design the study, collect, describe data, make
That's-
inference, and take action.
Yeah.
Okay, I found it. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, I think I can handle it. It should be fine. If I have any questions, I'll just email one of you guys or something. But I don't think I will.
You
Yeah,
can
we
always-
have all.
You can send us a chat. I always have my phone with Hangouts.
Okay, for sure.
So just
Yeah, same. I broke my phone actually yesterday, but I'm getting a new one tomorrow. So
okay.
That sucks.
And what days do you have? Are you okay to have this type of meetings? Only Mondays? Do you have another day that works? for
No,
you?
so I'm actually pretty open. I just got a new job, and so it's the schedule's not super set. But yeah, Mondays around this time is always good. Tuesdays around this time is always good too.
can you do a
Wednesdays
little
not so
bit
much.
earlier on Tuesdays?
Yeah.
Usually we've been meeting Tuesdays at God, I don't know Rexburg time for when we've been meeting.
Well, right now
Okay.
it's 3:52 here,
All right,
So,
so like
um,
noonish
noonish. Yeah,
1
no,
o'clock,
that's
1
totally
o'clock.
fine.
on Tuesdays. That's like when we've been meeting.
Yeah.
9
works.
o'clock my time. I think, what is it, 4 or 5 for you, Daniel?
For me, it's around 3:30. It's 6, almost 7 here. So
Okay.
3:30, 4. It's fine. I mean, we can do it. So we already have. I mean, we should probably give John some time to work on his portion to get our second call, to have something to discuss. I mean, we still have the quizzes that we could discuss and talk about.
Yeah, so the one there's one due tomorrow, right?
There's one tomorrow. If you guys want to meet tomorrow, I can. I don't know if you're fine. If not, we can do it on Thursday and like submit.
Yeah, let's.
Can we do that?
We
Like, do
have
it
been doing
late?
that, yes. Like
Really?
those days that we're not able to meet, we will each of us will submit the quiz. Or like sometimes
Interesting.
we just have like our meeting lately has been about the project. We haven't discussed
Right.
about the.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we can.
But yeah, I
take
can
too
meet
long.
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we can do the quiz really quick. Just kind of go over the answers, like compare. I mean, if we're really stuck, we can go over it. But then I figure we could just spend most of the time going over the other stuff.
Yeah,
Okay. Sounds good.
that works.
So, okay, so we will meet tomorrow around like 1:30 Rexburg
Rexburg
time.
time.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
It would be like 4 my time, and is it like 7 your time, Cyrus, around that? Is it 3?
When we normally meet on Tuesdays,
Yeah.
we meet at like 8:39 my time.
8:30. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's midnight right now, but I'm a night owl, so it's
Are you
not that big a
serious?
deal. Yeah.
That
Yeah, we're
sucks.
like we are in different. It's funny because I mean, Cyrus is in what city were you in?
Bratislava, Slovakia.
Yeah, in Slovakia. I mean,
You're in
you-
Slovakia?
Yeah,
Yeah.
my parents work here, and so I spend parts of the summer here because it's the only time I get to see my family. So I'll come spend like 2 months in
Right.
Slovakia when I'm not at school.
Dude, that's sick.
And I'm in Uruguay in South America, so we're like split all over the world.
Yeah.
It's
But
gonna be
yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Well, guys, I don't know if you. So let's meet tomorrow about the quiz. We give you some time for you, John, to work on the
The inference thing.
right, and then if you
Yeah.
want, we can discuss it tomorrow or on our next call on Thursday or next Monday.
Okay.
Okay, so
All right, cool.
I don't know if you guys
Hi,
want
guys.
to discuss anything else. All good.
I'm good.
Yeah. Are you gonna look into the make inference or whatever? Okay.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, I'm gonna be up for another hour. So if you want to, you can just message me on the Hangouts or call me if you have any more questions about the data, since Daniel and I were the ones who collected it, you know.
Okay. Yeah, for sure.
I probably
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
No problem, John. I'm gonna be leaving in 30 minutes, so if you have to ask something or something, I might reply then in the next 30 minutes. So after that, I'm going for the day. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
You too. Bye bye.
See ya.
Bye.